Now, when you go to upload your review video onto Amazon, one of the biggest mistakes that you can make is by uploading your product review video to the wrong product listing, but more importantly, to the least profitable product listing. Let me explain. So I have this overnight oat glass container, as you can see. Now, if we go onto Amazon, there are a lot of options to tag my video to add my video to, and you can only add your video onto one product listing. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of different sellers selling this exact same item, okay? So if you go about this smartly, correctly, you're gonna earn far more per review video than 95% of other Amazon influencers. Let me explain. So I can see there's a lot of options, but with this tool, Review Pro, I can easily see the competition level, because if there's less competition, like only 1 or 2 review videos, then my video is going to be seen far more, probably like 5 to 10 times more often than if there's like 20 influencer videos. So if we just look at my page real quick, right here, so this is the exact same product as this, and we can see that there are 5 review videos, and that at the top of the carousel, there's 4 influencer videos. So if I place my video here, if I tag this product, there's a high chance it's going to get seen. Now let's keep on looking. What about right here? There's only 4 influencer videos here. Pretty good there. Let's keep on going. And let me give you so right here, this one on the right. So on this product page, there's actually 11 influencer videos here total. And so there's a lesser chance of my video being seen on that product listing. And so I want to find the best product to add my video to. And this is totally you will not get in trouble. I've been doing this for now almost just across 1,600 product review videos on my influencer storefront. And so this is what I've been doing for each product on Amazon, and it's worked perfectly because it is the same product. In reality, let's just be real, it is all the same product, and so you might as well place your video to be in the best possible chance to be seen. Now, if I click into this product, just for an example, we can see more numbers that indicate like how much revenue that product is doing, how many sales it's made in the last 30 days. And the point of all of this information is to give you more data, more feedback, and knowing if this is a good product to review or not. Or more importantly, let's say you have reviewed it, it's a good product to add your video onto. Now let's come back on here. Another thing that I want to show you is just to make it easier for you, you can click on the top right here where it says View All Products. And instead of having to scroll up and down, if you click View All Products, it's going to show you a like a chart view, or I call it the search view, and you could see all the data, all the product information in one glance. And you can categorize it by the pro score if you want to, or you can do monthly revenue. And so instantly you could just see, okay, what's the best pro score, or what's the highest monthly revenue, aka people are buying this product a lot. And you're going to earn a lot more commissions just by adding product to the highest revenue video. So clearly, it has to be the same product. Sometimes there's only one version of the product on Amazon. But let me give you one more example. I just got this magnetic phone holder for your car. We've all kind of seen this. You essentially put the sticky part on here, and then you can attach your phone onto the back of it while you're driving. Excuse me. Okay, like that. This is not a novel product. There are a lot of different sellers selling this exact same thing. So you could do this with this also. So that's my recommendation. Now, a couple last minute things. You can get a 14-day trial of Review Pro. I highly, highly recommend doing that. I highly, highly recommend. You can also get tutorials of Review Pro inside of my course, Review Profits Accelerator. It's on a huge discount right now, and you can get access to it down below this video. I'm going to leave it in the comments. But inside of the course, not only does it help you get approved into the influencer program, learning how to find profitable products, learning how to upload your videos, like every question that you probably have, but also there's a huge section with tutorials on Review Pro. And so I had, you can either skip that and like come right here and just get a free trial and start using it. But I promise you, you do this, you actually utilize this tool, you will be, like I said, ahead of 95% of other Amazon influencers, because the majority don't take the second to like look at it like this. And when you actually know what is the best, or if you actually know what is the best product to add my video to, you're going to be so much ahead of the competition, because you actually can see like the path clearly. Without this tool, you're just really guessing, and it's painful because you're like, why am I not making any money? It's most likely this. So hopefully that is helpful. And if you have any questions, comment down below.